Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You will start by securing your data and environment. First, back up with Time Machine or a clone so you can recover if anything goes wrong. Next, plug the Mac into power and connect to a stable Wi-Fi. Updates can fail on unstable networks. Once done, make sure you have roughly 20% free disk space, and then open System Settings, go to General, and select Software Update to check for available Mac OS versions and begin the download. You'll now handle the download and pre-install checks. Read the release notes so you understand new features and any known issues that might affect your apps. This is why compatibility matters. Close heavy apps and pause large transfers to free bandwidth and CPU. If prompted, choose whether to enable automatic updates for future releases or tap Install Now. Monitor the download progress in Software Update. If it stalls, cancel and retry after restart. When installation starts, save work and allow the Mac to restart. Installations can take from 20 minutes to an hour and may reboot more than once. After the update completes, log in and run Software Update again to catch supplemental patches, then open your key apps to confirm they launch and perform correctly. If something goes wrong, updates fail repeatedly, or the Mac won't boot, boot into safe mode, try reinstalling the Mac OS installer, or restore from your backup as a last resort. That single recovery plan is why you backed up first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.